Direct your viewer's focus like a pro. First, let's get a screenshot with some text in it. Duplicate your video. You can use the shortcut Ctrl+C and then Ctrl+V. On the top layer, lower exposure all the way down in the Adjustment tab. Add a rectangle mask over the text you want to highlight. Feather it a bit, and then reverse it. But there is more. Drag the top layer a couple of frames. Add a fade-in animation. Compound both layers. And now you can add an animation that affects both of them, such as pendulum, or distort right, and also distort left, which looks the best. This is a perfect professional highlight reveal. By the way, at the end of the video, I will show you a CapCut feature that nobody knows about, so stick around for that. It's that satisfying bounce. Used right, it makes your video feel polished without being over the top. We will need a dining table that we can search for on Google. Then go to Flat Icons to get a bowl icon. Here you can find thousands of icons that you can download for free. Add the table and bring it to the bottom of the frame. Then place the plate above the table. Resize the plate to fit the table. Add a position keyframe for the plate around frame 10 or 20. Go back to the start and move the plate off-screen downward, adding another keyframe. Now it drops, but let's give it that bounce. We need to make the bowl's falling movement smoother. So right-click on the clip and then open the keyframe graph. Adjust the first keyframe's handle down and to the left, and the second one down and to the right to form a gentle L shape. You can also adjust the duration between the two keyframes. This process is a bit tricky. If you're still not feeling that bounce, no worries. We will add a subtle motion to the table as well. Right before the plate lands, add a keyframe. Then add another when it stops moving. Open the table's graph and create a slight upward curve. Now the podium reacts to the plate, just like in real life. This is very pleasing to look at. Let's make the text disappear behind a person. This is not the basic effect you thought. Import any video you want, duplicate your video, add a text layer, and drag it between your two video layers. On the top layer, go to Video and select Remove Background. The text is now behind your subject. And now the fun part starts. Let's animate that text. Add 3 keyframes. At the start of the clip, make it 100%. Then 15 frames in, zoom in at 110%. At 15 more keyframes, zoom in to 90%. Create a compound clip from the text layer and drag it above your clips. Scrub to the part where the text shrinks and split the clip. Move the second part beneath your video. Then drag the clip 2 more frames. Go to Animations and add a fade out animation for 0.1 seconds. This creates a very smooth text animation. Is your static drone footage looking a bit sleepy? Let's fake some motion. First, let's go to Pixels and get some footage. Search for drone. I will choose this one. Import the clip to Capcut. Zoom in a bit. Then I will add 2 keyframes, at the beginning and towards the end of the clip. For the first keyframe, move the clip to the left, and for the second keyframe, move it to the right. Now it looks like your drone is swooping over the scene. If you have multiple layers, color correction can go from a quick tweak to a total chaos really fast. If you try to apply an adjustment for all of them, it will get messy. Here's the fix. Select all of them and create compound clip. Now go to Adjustments, select Curves and go to Luma Graph. Then change it as I do now. And now add an adjustment layer. Lower the shadows, exposure, saturation, and blacks, and increase contrast highlights, and whites. You can also add sharpening and vignette. Use the HSL settings to target specific colors and get consistent tones across the scene. You'll immediately notice the difference. It's clearer, cleaner, and has bolder visuals. It looks complex, but it's easy. You'll need a black background, your text layer, and a video to play inside the text. Select the video, go to Blend, and select Darken. Add animation to the text layer, such as the screen wipe, and watch it come to life. It's perfect for intros or high-energy transitions. Make still images look 3D. Yes, you can fake 3D in CapCut really fast. Select your image, go to Video Effects, and scroll down until you find Motion, and select the 3D zoom. Apply to the clip, and watch your subject and background come to life. This adds serious depth in seconds. This might look complex, but it's actually super beginner-friendly. So let's go over step by step. Add a text layer, pick your font and color. I'm going with blue here. Right-click and select Create Compound Clip. Then go to Mask and choose Circle. You can shrink it a bit. Now animate the spotlight. Add keyframes to move the mask across the text. Towards the end, increase the size of the mask for a soft reveal. And don't forget to feather it around 30 for soft edges. If you want it smoother, right-click and select Show Animation Graph, and then apply Cubic Out to positions X and Y. Top it off with a glow effect. And you have a clean, modern and pro-looking animation. Last but not least, create thumbnails or TikTok covers in CapCut. Why use Canva when CapCut has a cover maker built in? Go to Cover and click on New. Over here, you can create your own thumbnail using the elements from your video. Pick a template. The pro ones are those that you have to pay for, but you also have a lot of free ones. You can customize the text, the people, and objects to match your vibe. You can even recreate viral covers for TikTok videos or YouTube Shorts right inside CapCut. If you are a video editor, try using these hacks in your next video and watch how your reels go viral. Leave a comment below if you have any more video editing suggestions or want to see a specific CapCut tutorial.